Hi, I'm Amy, and this is your sewing room solution. Buttonholes. We've made them, we've cut them, we've messed them up, and there's nothing worse when you're finishing your project and the buttonholes are so goofed up. It just ruins hours of work. I'm going to show you some simple and easy ways to cut open your buttonholes. Now, making your buttonholes are super simple. Just use matching thread, top and bottom, and sewing machines today do beautiful buttonholes. And if you haven't seen a buttonhole demonstration lately, please stop in because they're so easy, they're one step, they're automatic, and it makes life so much easy. But cutting buttonholes, we make so many mistakes that ruins everything. There's simple ways to cut your buttonholes, and here we go. This is old school. Now, I remember high school making my first Pendleton skirt. I took my seam ripper and I put it through and I sliced right through my buttonhole. It was torture. So the first hint of the day is to take a pin, put it across the end of your buttonhole before you slice your seam ripper in. So when you go to cut your buttonhole open, that way it won't slice through. Can you imagine how sick I was when, boom, right through my Pendleton vest? I thought I was going to die. This little gizmo right here is a hard little wooden block. This is called a buttonhole knife, and this is a very sharp blade. And you just lay it to the side where it goes right into the center of your buttonhole and stand it up, and you just hear it crunch. And you lay it in the side and hear it crunch. And it opens up and it makes beautifully, perfectly sliced buttonholes. Now this one here has a keyhole end of it. After you use your buttonhole knife, your little wedge, to slice open the bar of your buttonhole, this is an eyelet cutter, and it's going to cut the keyhole of your buttonhole just perfectly, just by pushing. And it just lifts out just like that. No more cut keyhole ends of your buttonholes. There's nothing more enjoyable than perfect, absolute, perfectly finished buttonholes. That was super simple. A little bit of a gadget, if nothing else, a pin and a seam ripper. But the perfect thing is a sewing machine that does easy one-step buttonholes. So come on in, check out the buttonhole gizmos and the easy new buttonholes. This is your sewing room solution.